This is the February Look Fantastic box. This edit is called Give a Little More Love. Let's check it out. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this is the February Look Fantastic box. Let's open it on up. This is in a very different box indeed, isn't it? And I can't open it. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my little YouTube family. Would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Right, so this is inside the box. It's looking very messy. We have the edit QR code. We don't get a booklet. Well, sometimes we do. I don't know if this is what they've permanently moved on now, like the glossy box, because they're kind of under the same umbrella group, aren't they? But really glad that it is a black QR code. Sorry, I've just flipped you off there. That means my phone will or should scan. But yeah, there is a quick sneak peek. It's not looking a lot, is it? It's really not looking a lot. Yeah, let's get to unboxing. If you are interested to subscribing to this box, I think it's £13 per month, and the longer you subscribe for, where you can get a 3, 6 or a 12-month subscription, I think the cheaper that it gets as well. I have a link and a code. I'll pop everything down below in the information box and the comment box. If you use that, I think it gets you £5 off your first box, which is a great little saving. But yes, let's see if this works. It works. Yay! Thank the Lordy Lord. So looking at the card, it does have the name of the edit on there, which is Give a Little More Love. Right, so the first product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Nude Sticks. It is a deluxe size mini magnetic luminous eye colour in Dew Wap. It is worth £21.41. Wow, oh my goodness. Made to suit all skin tones, the eyeshadow pencil will prime your lids for all day wear and provide an even colour payoff with intense hue that blends easily to create a seamless transition. So very interesting. Ooh. For a deluxe size as well, there's actually quite a lot of product in there, but let's just... Oh, that's actually really nice. It's quite subtle. Very nice indeed. I like that. I really like that. That's going to go with a lot of the colours that I wear. But yeah, interesting. Can't wait to get that on my eyelids to test it out. Second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand The Bomb. This is another deluxe size product, and this is Staniac Lip and Cheek Stain. It has an RRP of £6.64, which is quite affordable, and it just says this Staniac Lip and Cheek Stain Tint Gloss adds a subtle colour to lips and gives your face a healthy glow. It's easy to use and adapts to any skin tone. Yeah, wow. There it is. There you got like a little dover. Does this have a colour on here? Or is that the colour Staniac? I don't know. So there it is there. Interesting. It just feels like a bit of a lip gloss at the moment. And then let's just tap it in. I think you've got to tap it in basically straight away once you put it on, because you can see the original shape of when I first put it on. But it's a very pretty colour. Okay, I'll have to be brave and give it a go. So the third item we have is this. So this is by the brand Mono Skin, and it's Beauty Balm. Oh, this is a full size, which is great. It's 50ml. This is worth £42.95, and it just says an indulgent creamy balm that promises to boost skin radiance, created using an innovative blend of neroli and sweet orange essential oils to revitalize the complexion and stimulate the skin. And on the actual bottle itself, it just says brightening and tightening proteins. Oh, that just sounds really, really interesting. Let's just have a little sniff. Yeah, you can really smell that orange come through. Smells gorgeous, and I really, really like this brand. I've tried some of their products and have been really impressed with what I've tried so far. So really glad to get something different by this brand to try out. So yeah, cool. Fourth product we have is this. So this is by the brand Grown Alchemist. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And this is a deluxe size, which is 12 mils, and it's worth £14. And it's an age repair moisturiser with phytopeptide and white tea extract. A botanical powerhouse, this high performance moisturiser hydrates and plumps and protects the skin. Infused with white tea extract and bioactive phytopeptides, fine lines and wrinkles appear diminished, promoting a youthful glow. Yes, I'm all about the youthful glow and diminishing fine lines and wrinkles, because oh my god, struggling with the wrinkles. Oh my god, that's so cute. So there it is there. So definitely a deluxe mini. Yeah, I've never heard of this brand before, have you? Or have I? I don't think that I have. But always happy to try something new. I'm going to leave that sealed, so when I get around to actually using it, it's going to be nice and fresh, that I can just slap it on. The fifth item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Umberto Giannini, and this is a banana butter leave-in conditioner. This is a full-size product. It's 100 mils and it is worth £5.75. I love this brand. They do so many amazing products, really, really affordable prices, which is fab. And it just says, packed with hydrating ingredients, the cream feeds moisture into thirsty curls. Whipped to perfection, the formula is lightweight and airy, easily absorbed by the hair. Fighting frizz and moisture, the conditioner gives structure to curls without weighing them down. So yeah, it just says smooth through wet hair, glide through your fingertips to detangle and coat every curl, do not rinse. Cool. This I've got to smell, because it will be getting tried when I have my natural hair days. Oh, it smells so, so good. It's a fake banana smell, but it's a sweet, awesome fake banana smell. Oh my god, this smells so, so good. I am trying to have more natural hair days at the minute. Obviously it's better for your hair. So yes, we can try these out in my waves. Sixth and final product in the box is this. So this is by the brand So Ego, and it's a cosmetics sponge worth £6. This is a full-size product, and it just says achieve a flawless makeup application with this ultra soft makeup sponge. It can be used with liquids, creams and powder products. With bespoke packaging, we're definitely feeling the Valentine's Day vibes. Okay, cool. Yeah, you can see the hearts on there. Oh. Okay, so mine's green. I don't know if they're all going to be the same colour. We're going to receive different colours. Got no idea at all. But yeah, there it is there. It's just perfectly round with a flat bottom. And then yeah, that's the brand that's kind of been etched on there. It feels really nice, even without adding water. It feels nice and squishy. Obviously when you add water, this is gonna get bigger. I don't know how bigger, but we'll soon find out when we try it out. But yeah, that feels a really good, decent quality sponge, and I'm excited to give that a go and squish it on my face. Guys, so this is the February Look Fantastic box. What do you think? Personally, I was not impressed when I first opened the box, but there were products hiding under products. That is my defense. And now I am so, so happy, because it did not look a lot when I first opened the box. But yeah, look at that, guys. Look at it. I'm so, so over the moon with it. So we have the Umberto Giannini Banana Hair Creamy Stuff Conditioner, leave-in conditioner. It smells amazing, and I can't wait to put that when I have my natural hair days. Really can't wait to do that. That sponge feels so soft and squishy and perfect. The Mono Skin Beauty Balm, hell yeah, can't wait to smack that all over my face. We have the Grown Alchemist moisturizer as well. That sounds so good. Yes, it's only a small amount, but we can get the gist of it, slap it on my faces and see what we think. The lip and cheek tint as well is good. It's going to be a learning curve of putting it on, and where it stains your face you're going to have to blend it in super quick, but it looks good. And then yeah, the eyeshadow highlight every pencil thing is kind of nice as well. But yeah, I'm very pleasantly surprised, thank goodness, because I really didn't think that I was going to be. What do you think of yours? Comment down below. Again, if you are interested in getting this box, click the link down below. You'll get a £5 off your box. It's worth saving something. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.